Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Impact. So in this video today, I'm going to show you guys how to verify a YouTube channel. So before we get started, there are things you must have already. First of all, you must make sure you have your phone number and a mobile phone. This mobile phone, you use it to receive the code which has been sent to your phone number, which you used in this process. So before we proceed, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel Tech Impact, turn on the bell notification to be notified whenever we post a new video. So once you open your Chrome browser, you want to type in your YouTube channel. You want to just type in YouTube. So once you type in your YouTube, you're going to sign in with that email address which you want to verify. So for this tutorial, I've already signed in my YouTube, as you can see right here. So all I have to do now is to click on my profile picture, and right from my profile picture now, I'm going to click on the YouTube studio. So guys, basically what you get after you verify your YouTube channel is that you can be able to use post thumbnail with your video. You can be able to put thumbnail on your videos, and you can also post a longer video, and you can also go live on YouTube at once you reach the 100 or 50 subscribers. So now that you're in our YouTube studio now, the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to head into our settings. So you can see already this is a new channel. It doesn't have anything currently going on. So it doesn't have a profile picture as well. No channel art. So from your settings now, you want to click on YouTube. You want to go to your channel. You want to click on channel. So from here now, you can see this channel is still new. Nothing has been selected. Nothing has been worked in this channel. So the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to go to feature eligibilities, and we're going to click that eligibility. So once you scroll down now, you want to complete this. So you can see right here, it said videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live stream, and content ID. This is what you get once you verify your YouTube channel. So let's start the process. So from here now, we're going to, by verifying our YouTube channel, we'll be asked to use our mobile phone number. You can see right here. So we want to do that. And this also increases the amount of videos you can post on your channel. Once you verify your YouTube channel, it also includes that. So here now we're going to put in a phone number. First of all, you want to make sure you select your country, which country you're based in. So by default, my country is already selected, which is Nigeria. So I'm going to put a mobile number which I want to get my code from. 07056 222 So now that you've put in your phone number that you want to receive your code in, you want to click on get code. You can see here now it says a verification code has been sent. A message with your verification code has been sent to the number. Enter your 6-digit number. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to head into my phone and confirm if I have received that code, which I already do. So I'm going to type in the code right in this box where it says enter the 6-digit verification code. So the code now. So guys, you must make sure that the code is up to 6 digits. So now that I've put in the code now, all I have to do now is click on submit. And you can see here, congratulations, your phone number is now verified. You can see here. So now automatically this feature will be enabled. You can see right here now, you can see all this feature now has been enabled, and you can now post a longer video, custom thumbnail, and live stream. And you can also post more video daily. So guys, now your channel has been automatically been verified. You can see right here, it has already automatically been verified. Now I'm going to show you guys how you check if your channel is verified. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to open another tab, and in my search bar now, I'm going to search for YouTube verification or verify. Anyone could work. So the next thing, before you want to do this, you want to make sure that you are signed into that YouTube channel, that you want to check if the channel is verified. So you want to click on sign in to YouTube. So you want to click on this sign in. You can see here it says your video blah 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 your phone number is verified. So this means that your channel is verified. So guys, thank you for watching, and leave a comment down below, and see you in the next video.